Yo, what is up? Today we're going to be doing some creek fishing at my local creek, and we'll see what we can catch. Alright, so I just got down to the first spot. Today we're going to be throwing the good old night crawlers with a little weight and a little hook. Oh, look at that. There's a huge turtle right there. There we go. What the heck? Got a little creek chub. I think it's so tiny. There he goes. Alright, let's head to the next spot. Next spot's always way better. Alright, we're approaching the next spot. Let's get baited up and let's catch a fish.